6 divided by 6, which gives us 6. Then 1 times 6, which equals 6. Okay, then 6 divided by 6, 6 divided by 6, which equals to 1. Okay, but this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, in this expression there is one parenthesis, one division, and one multiplication here. So first, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, and then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division or this parenthesis, it is wrong. Okay, therefore according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, 6 divided by 1, which gives us 6. Okay, then 6 divided by 1 times 6. Here one division and one multiplication. So remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore we have to do divide this one first. 6 divided by 1, which gives us 6, then times 6, then 6 times 6, which equals 36. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is 36.